life without any fear. Quack, quack, waddles by her side. Together they're the perfect bride.